As we continue our exploration in the science behind gems, we will unravel the captivating science behind the vibrant and varied colors of gemstones. The allure of gemstones often lies in their mesmerizing colors. But have you ever wondered what gives a ruby its rich red or an emerald its enchanting green? Let's dive into the science behind these hues. When light strikes a gemstone, various interactions occur: absorption, transmission, and reflection. The colors we perceive are a result of these interactions. Different wavelengths of light correspond to different colors. A gemstone absorbs certain wavelengths and reflects others, determining its visible color. Trace elements, or impurities, within a gemstone's crystal structure can influence its color. Chromium gives rubies their red color. Iron and titanium can give sapphires a blue hue. Even minute amounts of these elements can have a profound impact on a gemstone's color. The arrangement of atoms within a gemstone can affect how light is absorbed and reflected. The unique structure of opals causes them to diffract light, producing a play of color. Diamonds have a crystal structure that reflects and refracts light, giving them their sparkle. It's not just the composition, but also the arrangement of atoms that plays a role in color. Idiochromatic gems: these gemstones are inherently colored due to their essential chemical composition. Peridot is naturally green due to the presence of iron in its structure. Allochromatic gems: these gemstones get their color from impurities or external factors. Pure quartz is colorless, but the presence of impurities can turn it into amethyst, purple, or citrine, yellow. Defects or imperfections in a gemstone's crystal lattice can create color centers that influence color. Exposure to radiation can create color centers in diamonds, turning them green. Amethyst's purple hue can be attributed to color centers involving iron. Techniques used to improve or alter the color of gemstones. Heat treatment can intensify the blue of sapphires. Oiling can enhance the clarity and color of emeralds. While enhancements can improve appearance, it's essential for them to be disclosed in the gem trade. The vibrant world of gemstone colors is a blend of nature's artistry and intricate science. As we appreciate the beauty of these gems, understanding the science behind their colors adds another layer of admiration and wonder.